Remember when those things backfired?
Point it at that agent.
Go get some of the big ones out of the shop.
There it is. Yeah. Up on top of the piles where we need it.
Oh, he knows.
Oh, come on.
Too far.
There you go.
That's gonna be so warm.
I was hoping for a big
Go
boom.
get some of the big fireworks from under the thing.
We threw one in the fire. They're going in the trees.
That was not all of them. Okay, I was gonna say that's not all of them.
They're hitting the trees. They're bouncing off the trees.
That one was awesome. It like bounced in the branches.
If it points this way, I'm gonna be so happy.
No.
Why? I got it. It's okay. Wait, what? Oh, that's lame. Holy. What? That's awesome.
That means the stick didn't, it burnt through the stick.
Yeah.
There's something sizzling in there.
Right there, yes!
I don't know which way that's pointing. Oh. Oh.
Oh, it's going into the fire.
Oh, it's gonna pop out.
No.
Might shoot out the other.
It's gonna start changing direction. Paxton, go pick it up.
No, wait, leave it, wait. Wait, let me see.
Throw it back in the fire.
Wait, go. Not like that. Nice.
Wait, try and catch it.
No, wait, hold on.
I'm not trying to catch these ones.
Nice.
Wait, give me one day.
New Year's is gonna be so much fun.
What?
This
Oh.
Is like, this is like the lame version of New Year's.
Yeah.
Let's go over here with you guys.
Okay, guys, what's all your New Year's resolutions?
Nice.